Just a few tips on making your contract airtight. You can use a few tools like an information requisition form. We provide these to our students and we train them on how to use these. So these can be basically very helpful in getting the right kind of information and in probing the client to give you what matters and in making the client think of what is important to them. So they'll appreciate in this process also that you are thinking from their perspective and you're getting them the to say the right points. Okay. And you can use a checklist which we provide to insert all these types of clauses. There are free video available on what this checklist is. Okay, in our courses we teach you how to use the checklist in detail. Okay, then there are things about you'll have to check that the contract is properly executed, properly stamped, and is enforceable. That requires some statutory knowledge of Stamp Act, Registration Act, IT Act. Okay, and then you will need to ensure that if there is a particular sector that is being covered, then their regulatory requirements are met, whether it is competition, FEMA, or company law. Okay, for example, you will have to see that the contract is not in violation of the FDI policy, or you will need to see that there's no violation of SEBI Act or IRDA regulations. If you want more career guidance, I will suggest to you that you can take a screenshot of this, reach out to Zaire on the number given below, and then you say, I need guidance. Okay, we'll take a screenshot of this. Okay, if you want more guidance, and I'll take questions right now from you. Okay, and Manan, you're asking how to reach this level. If you are studying with us, then for in 50 weeks, keep doing all the work that we are giving you how to perform. Okay, if you're not studying this work, then you will need to learn. You'll have to figure out how to learn all these contracts that I told you. One way is learning with us, which obviously we will, that when you are having a professional trainer with you, then you know that this is going to be more reliable. When I fail or fall, I will have some more guidance. When you're learning on your own, you'll have to figure out everything on your own, so it takes a little more effort, but you can give that a shot.